Welcome back, plant enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the captivating world of German chamomile, also known as matricaria chamomilla. This delightful herb has a rich history steeped in mythology, folklore, and traditional uses that span back from ancient times all the way to traditional day. My name is Sarah. Welcome to Sarah's Sips and Smokes, where I do my best to paint big, figurative pictures on the magical properties of herbs through traditional and historical uses, as well as through my own personal studies and experimentation. This video is not meant to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or illness. This is all through my own research, hands-on experience, and knowledge passed down through mentors and experts. Please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Thank you. This is week 2 of my Nature Wonder series, or my 16 weeks of herbs. Each week I'll be choosing one herb to spotlight, and for that entire week I'll be going over the botanical descriptions, cultural aspects, traditional and modern day uses, and so much more of the herb. So if you want to know more, follow along. But without any further introduction, let's get into the content. This time, I don't have the herb I'm going to be spotlighting in a tea blend. Instead, I've got a smoke blend for you guys today. Yes, friends, we are indeed going to be smoking a flower today. Chamomile is one of my favorite herbs to mix with my more chronic flower, but I will be getting to more of that a little bit later through a demonstration on how I did make this blend. But for now, please join me in grabbing your favorite sip, your favorite smoke, or both, and let's get into the content. This beautiful plant is not only visually stunning, but it is also a treasure trove of health benefits. So let's dive right in. German chamomile has been renowned for its hollow, bright gold cones filled with tubular florets. These cones are beautifully ringed with delicate white ray florets, forming a stunning contrast. As for the plant itself, matricaria chamomilla is an annual herb with thin, spindle-shaped roots. Its branch stem can reach heights ranging from 10 to 80 centimeters. The leaves of the plant are narrow, long leaves, adding to the plant's elegance. The flower heads of the plant are pedunculate or supported by the stalk and can sprout 2 different types of flowers. Inside these flower heads, you'll find golden yellow tubular florets with 5 teeth. Surrounding these tubular florets are 11 to 27 white plant flowers. German chamomile is native to southern and eastern Europe, as well as eastern and western Asia. However, it has spread its wings worldwide and can now be found in places like Great Britain, North America, and Australia. Countries like Germany, Hungary, France, Russia, and Yugoslavia have embraced the cultivation of this incredible plant. In fact, Hungary is known as the main producer of German chamomile biomass. It thrives even in the porous soils there, making it a resilient and abundant crop. Even a gentle, fast-acting herb like chamomile, it can be harmful for some, so let's go over some contraindications and concerns that can come from ingesting this blend. While German chamomile is well tolerated by most, it is important to note that a relatively low percentage of people might be sensitive to German chamomile and even develop allergic reaction. Individuals who are already sensitive to ragweed, chrysanthemums, or other members of the Compositae family are more prone to developing contact allergies to chamomile. To better understand the extent of these potential allergies, a large-scale clinical trial was conducted in Hamburg, Germany. The study involved testing 3,851 individuals using a patch with the plant's extract. Surprisingly, only 118 individuals, or 3.1%, experienced an allergic reaction. Further investigations revealed that chamomile fell in the middle range compared to other plants tested. Interestingly, one study found that eye washing with chamomile tea in hay fever patients with conjunctivitis exacerbated eye inflammation. However, when chamomile tea was ingested orally, there was no worsening of eye inflammation. This shows the importance of understanding different applications and potential effects. Now you might be wondering about the general safety of using German chamomile. This well-known plant is listed on the FDA's generally recognized as safe list. While evidence of cross-reactivity with other drugs is not well documented, further research is necessary in order to draw definitive conclusions. Safety precautions should also be taken by pregnant or nursing women and those with liver or kidney disease. Fortunately, credible reports of toxicity of this common beverage tea are virtually non-existent. Now, let's explore the wonderful energetics and properties of German chamomile. When ingested, the plant possesses cooling and relaxing qualities, making it a favorite herb for soothing various conditions. As previously mentioned, it's known for its antispasmodic, aromatic, carminative, diaphoretic, digestive tonic, and nervine properties. German chamomile can be a true natural ally in promoting full body wellness. German chamomile is one of the oldest and most well-documented medicinal plants in the entire world. Let's discover all the ways that our ancestors and modern-day users take in the medicinal effects of this plant. Chamomile's dried flowers contain terpenoids and flavonoids, which contribute to its remarkable healing property. It's often referred to as a cure-all for its wide range of uses. The plant's been used to alleviate hay fever, reduce inflammation, relax muscle spasms, and even soothe menstrual disorders. But that's not all. It can also help with insomnia, ulcers, open wounds, gastrointestinal disorders, rheumatic pain, and yes, even hemorrhoids. It truly lives up to its reputation as a versatile healer. Gonna go for a little relight. But fun fact, did you know that German chamomile is actually one of the most popular tea preparations in the entire world? Over 1 million cups of chamomile tea are ingested every day. Herbal teas with German chamomile are very well known, and for very good reason. The essential oils derived from this plant are extensively used in cosmetics and aromatherapy. They have a calming effect and are often recommended for anxiety and general depression. They have a calming and soothing effect on the mind and body. This is why it's one of my favorite things to mix in a smoke blend. For all its calming and aromatic impacts, just imagine inhaling the gentle scent of chamomile and let it take you to a state of tranquility and peace. Be sure to try out my smoke blend for yourself during my herbal smoke blend demonstration later on in this video. German chamomile itself possesses a powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and healing effect. Studies have shown that its essential oils can penetrate below the skin surface, making it effective for topical anti-inflammatory treatments. This is why German chamomile essential oil is a popular ingredient in aromatherapy and hair care products. On to my personal favorite of all my herbal studies, my ethnobotany section. As a reminder, ethnobotany is the study of how people of a particular culture or region make use of a plant in modern or traditional times. This is known as the oldest medicinal plant. Chamomile, it has a great staple in history. So let's go back in time to learn more. Our first stop takes us about 3,000 years back into ancient Egypt, where chamomile was revered as a sacred plant. The Egyptians believed in its potent healing powers and associated its delicate, daisy-like flower with the sun deity Ra, as the flower reminded them of the sun's radiant beauty. They even burned dried chamomile flowers as incense to honor their ancestors and pay homage to the sun. It was used to treat a form of malaria known as ague. Egyptians used chamomile in mummification for its insect-repelling qualities, ensuring that the mummies would be protected from pests for eternity. In Slovakia, there's an old saying that highlights the sacred nature of this herb. The saying goes, an individual should always bow before the curative powers of the chamomile plant. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, where German chamomile had become widely used. Many intriguing folk customs and beliefs emerged during this time, emphasizing the plant's protective properties. Chamomile became widely popular throughout Europe. People would plant chamomile near doors and windows, believing it would ward off bad luck. In fact, they even burned chamomile inside their homes to banish malevolent spirits and attract wealth. Did you know that chamomile tea was believed to have magical abilities to attract money? Old-time gamblers used chamomile tea to attract money by washing their hands in the chamomile before playing cards or throwing dice. Traveling north to Scandinavia in the same time, and we find the Vikings incorporating chamomile into their hair care rituals. They added chamomile to their hair shampoos, hoping to enhance the shine of their glorious braids. Moving on to ancient Rome, the Romans were also captivated by chamomile's virtues. They not only used it medicinally, but also dedicated the herb to their gods, just as the Egyptians and so many other cultures. Chamomile played a part in their bathing rituals, and they even walked on it. Chamomile has played a significant role in various cultures and belief systems. For example, it was one of the 9 sacred herbs in Anglo-Saxon medical texts and prayers. The plant's calming and restorative properties made it a popular choice for treating ailments, such as stomach issues, irritable bowel syndrome, and even a gentle sleep aid. Chamomile has been anciently known as the plant's physician for its healing influence on other plants. People observed that placing chamomile next to a sickly plant would often help it recover. Truly a herb with remarkable healing qualities. As we venture further into the world of chamomile, we find its close association with positive energy and emotional balance. This delightful flower has been used in pagan rituals and spells to enhance positive energy and transform negative energy. Sprinkling chamomile over thresholds was thought to ward off negativity while filling homes with positive energy and light. Chamomile tea is not only a calming elixir, but is also believed to instill positive energy, bring prophetic dreams, and restore vital energy sources. Now let's touch on some traditional uses of chamomile. This versatile herb has been employed to treat a wide range of conditions, including wounds, ulcers, eczema, and even gout. It has been used externally for skin conditions, chickenpox, as well as ear and eye infections. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory and bactericidal properties make it a go-to remedy for various skin and oral conditions. Additionally, chamomile has been valued as a digestive relaxant, aiding in gastrointestinal disturbances or even motion sickness. Chamomile extracts have shown anti-ulcerogenic effects, reducing acid output and increasing mucin secretion. It's also known as a hypnagogue and uterine tonic for women, meaning it stimulates menstruation and it supports the health of the uterus. From arthritis to bed sores and even stomach cramps, chamomile has been a trusted companion for centuries. Did you know that chamomile has found its way into aquaculture and agriculture practices as an anesthetic? Its soothing properties help keep our animal friends calm during service procedures. Farmers have also embraced the benefits of chamomile as an animal feed. Chamomile has been used to enhance the diets of animals, positively influencing their intake and overall well-being. But chamomile's influence doesn't stop there. Its extracts have been investigated for their potential as food preservatives. Studies have explored the use of chamomile extracts in products such as cottage cheese, yogurts, and biscuits. The natural properties of chamomile helps extend the shelf life of these food items while preserving their quality. From soothing fish in aquaculture to enhancing animal diets and even preserving our food, chamomile continues to amaze us with its versatility. But what does modern science say about the medical properties of chamomile? Well, in a research study published in the National Center of Biotechnology Information, chamomile has shown some remarkable effects. German chamomile possesses a captivating array of approximately 120 secondary metabolites, including 28 terpenoids and 36 flavonoids. These compounds contribute to its remarkable aroma and numerous therapeutic properties. The essential oil extracted from German chamomile flowers contain 2 principal components: alpha-B-cebollol and oxidizolines. Alpha-B-cebollol has soothing properties and can be beneficial for the skin, while azulines like camozoline derivatives contribute to the oil's blue color and also have health benefits. This means that German chamomile oil can provide calming effects and are helpful for skin care purposes. The flowers of German chamomile are highly valued for their essential oil. They are exported in bulk in Germany, where they undergo the distillation process to extract all of that precious oil. It's fascinating how this delicate herb can have such a packing punch. One study found that chamomile intake was associated with a reduced risk of heart disease and myocardial infarction. Another study showed a significant increase in mean brachial artery pressure, which is a positive impact on cardiovascular health. And unsurprisingly, 10 patients did fall into a deep sleep shortly after drinking the chamomile tea. A different study found that flavonoid intake from chamomile was inversely associated with mortality from coronary heart disease. German chamomile, it can be a lifesaver when it comes to celiac in infants. It's been shown to eliminate celiac symptoms in a significant percentage of infants. Chamomile itself can be a wonderful, gentle, and soothing agent to use in healing children. One particular study examined a novel agent called TBS 101, which is a mixture of 7 standardized botanical extracts, including chamomile. The results were astounding. TBS 101 exhibited significant anti-cancer activities against human prostate cancer cells, both in vitro and in vivo. Researchers have discovered that chamomile extracts, particularly one of its bioactive constituents called apigenin, exhibit significant growth inhibitory effects on various human cancer cell lines. More research is needed, of course, but these findings are incredibly exciting for the future. German chamomile has long been known for its ability to soothe digestive ailments like colic and upset stomach. Scientific studies have shown that chamomile extracts, such as STW5, can reduce acid output, increase mucin secretion, and inhibit secondary hyperacidity, making it comparable to commercial antacids used to combat these symptoms. Furthermore, chamomile tea has been associated with boosting the immune system and fighting infections. Topical use of chamomile to enhance wound healing was evaluated in a double-blind trial involving 14 patients who had tattoos removed through a process called dermabrasion. The use of chamomile applied directly to the skin was tested to see if it could help wounds heal faster. The healing and drying process was judged by doctors, and the results showed a statistically significant decrease of the weeping wound area, as well as the drying tendency. All these studies, they confirm the same scientific truth. Chamomile really does have healing properties. Find all the links to these sources in the description below if you'd like to learn more. But for now, I'm going to move on into my chamomile smoke blend demonstration. Today, I'm going to be demonstrating how you can build your own smoke blend through this relaxing and smoothing one with our star ingredient being chamomile. So I'll kind of break that down, but before that, be sure to like this video and follow along for the rest of this Nature's Wonder series as we explore lots of different herbs. The first ingredient, mullein, is going to be our base herb, making up about 40%. Mullein is very light, smooth, and it makes it very enjoyable when you add it to a smoke blend. Next up, we got our main action herb, chamomile. This golden beauty steals the show with its calming and sleep-inducing effects. The chamomile is going to make up about 25% of this blend. Now let's talk about the supporting herbs, lemon balm and rose petals. Lemon balm enhances the stress relief and provides a lot of relaxing qualities to the blend. And the rose petals add a lavish but also a relaxing and soothing touch. And there you have it, a perfectly balanced smoke blend. Now you can just mix that up, grind it, and then put it in your mode of transport and enjoy. Thanks for following along the demonstration. If you end up trying out your own recipe, let me know how it goes. Otherwise, if you want to try this recipe specifically, visit my website, go over all of the herbal allies and their benefits, and then you can also get it as a herbal blend or get it as a pre-roll. And there you have it, friends, the captivating history of German chamomile. This herb is steeped in history, mythology, and positive healing powers. From ancient Egypt to medieval Europe and beyond, this herb has captivated generations for its restorative and calming properties. So the next time you sip a cup of chamomile tea or you catch a whiff of its delightful aroma, remember the tales of old and its profound connection it's had with humanity all throughout history. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more exciting botanical adventures through my Nature Wonder series. And until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the extraordinary plants we have in our world. Take care.